Croatia, and we're just leaving Hvar, and we're headed out to see a blue cave and a green cave and a bunch of beaches. This is gonna be awesome.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow, we can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out, die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Let's go, let's be free.
So guys, we just stopped. We're braving the way up to the front of the boat. We're at a place called, what did they call this?
Blue Lagoon.
Blue Lagoon. Look at this. It's beautiful.
We're here at the end of low season, so the water's still a little bit too cold.
Yeah, too cold to go in, but we can still admire the color. It almost looks like the Caribbean. And just surrounded by like, all these rugged rocks. It's quite a rugged coast, pebble beaches. Wow. Guys, we're about to go inside the green cave. Wow. Guys, this is one of the coolest things we've ever done. We're in a cave on this massive yacht. It's crazy.
Not looking back, eyes on the freeway, Bonnie and Clyde, a classic cliche, we're on the run, this is what we waited for.
Okay guys, we are coming up on what I'm told the most beautiful beach in all of Europe. It's called Stiniva. Sorry about the pronunciation, I probably got it wrong, but you can see that even just slightly. We're in for a treat. I think it's pretty easy to see why they call this the most beautiful beach in all of Europe. You're surrounded by cliffs on both sides. Turquoise water, little beach back there. I don't know what else you could possibly ask for. Okay, so the next stop is the Blue Cave, and we're on an island that we don't know the name of.
But it's right next to Vis.
We can find it on Google Maps, but our internet isn't working right now, but it's very close to Vis. Apparently, you have to buy tickets when you're here. We're gonna get off this boat onto another little tiny boat because I think the entrance to this is like, we have to duck to get in.
And our boat is out of gas.
We can't go in. No, I'm just kidding. Look, we have a top up coming right here. Are we switching boats? We might be switching boats. I hope we're not switching boats. We're switching. Okay, we switched boats. I actually don't know how he's gonna get back. We are going in this little hole. Heads down, heads down. Very down, very down. Whoa. Oh my God, look at the color of this. Guys, we're inside the blue cave. Look how blue it is. If you're like in Croatia and doing some islands, you want to go inside the blue cave. The camera can't do it justice.
That was so awesome. So apparently that was actually found in like in the 1800s by a Swiss guy. Or Austrian.
Austrian guy, yeah. We're getting all these facts on the fly, but what it makes me wonder is like how many more of these gems are out there that we don't even know about.
So if you happen to be in Croatia and on the islands, don't miss that. It was amazing.
Yeah, the blue cave's a must. Actually, I wouldn't just say the blue cave's a must. All those stops we just did are an absolute must.
All right, guys, that's it.
From the islands in Croatia, wishing you delightful travels.
See you soon.
Don't forget to like the video, guys, and hit that subscribe button. How are you gonna get? I actually don't know how he's gonna get back.